How much more can Tesla increase in price? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBuild Solutions. And if you think Tesla is going to hit $800 a share today alone, make sure you smash that like button so all the to the Mars people get it there. What's going on, guys? So I want to talk about the question that a lot of people are still asking, and is Tesla still a good buy? In this video, I'm going to be simply sharing my opinion on how I'm trading Tesla. As of right now, on the day, I reduced the majority of my position size, and I have a little bit over, I'm about to hit $4,000 profit on the day. It's up 5.39%. So I sold the majority of my share within the Learn Plan Profit live trading session today. And as we get super close to this threshold or this milestone or whatever it is that you want to call it, I want to talk about certain things. So if I'm not mistaken, it's RBC Capital raised and upgraded Tesla. That's one of the main reasons that we're seeing Tesla proactively trade at higher prices during the pre-market session. As well as a lot of you guys heard potentially overnight yesterday, there is a new grant for EV companies and a big focus for EV with a Democratic president and with a Democratic dominant Senate. So this is in favor of EV, not only Tesla, although Tesla's performing amazing. Did you guys check out Plug? Plug is up over 30% on the day. PLUG, absolutely killing it. Do I think it's a good deal? No, not necessarily. What I want to do within this video is talk about Catalyst and how this news is, of course, acting as a positive catalyst. I don't want to overcomplicate it. And you're entitled to your own opinion. So if you want to buy and you want to hold because you think it's only going to continue to go up, I'm not here to convince you. I'm just here to do my part in reminding you that when things are overbought because of certain news that is relevant right now, when it does not become relevant and the hype dies out, we will most likely see a correction because of the overreaction. So encouraging you to have an exit plan, when to decide to lock in profits, keep some profits in your pocket or reduce your position size at these higher levels. I don't find it to be the worst idea, right? When it comes down to Tesla and the way that it's trading right now, it's been on a hot streak. I've been continuously holding at least 50 shares every single night and day trading it. So because I can manage my risk intraday, with about 150 to nearly 200 shares. So I love day trading Tesla. I love holding Tesla. Why? Because it's bullish, but it's so overbought. And it's about to break 800, right? So it's getting really close. It just hit highs of 797. Do I think that when it hits 800, it will quickly pull back? No, I think it'd be very similar to when it broke above 700 and then, hit highs of like 710, 720, and then it pulled on back. Very similar breakout where, when it hits and breaks above 800, I can see that momentum push, right? And then because of that overreaction, a quick little correction. It is so bullish. And the news also, not just the good news about Tesla being upgraded once again, not just because it was upgraded 2 days ago, but once again today, right? And as well as with the EV news, and if I'm not mistaken, based off of current market cap valuation at 700 currently, 753 billion. 753 billion is Tesla's current market cap valuation. And Elon Musk, the notorious CEO, is now the richest person in the world, surpassing Jeff Bezos. 2021 is off to a crazy start. All I'm here to talk about and all I'm here to encourage you is, do I think Tesla is the best buy right now? And in that aspect, do I think Tesla is the best deal right now? No, I don't think Tesla is the best deal, but Tesla is super bullish. So if you do decide to buy, I would be very careful with your position size. I would set alerts and wait for a pullback if you're really trying to buy and hold for a longer period of time. These pullbacks happen. So for anyone that thinks that they're not going to happen, they happen all the time. As it pushes up and reaches certain levels, when it hit 600, it corrected itself and went back to 550. So asking yourself the simple question, did you want to buy at 600 because you want to jump into the hype, or after a correction? When it gets to 650 and it corrects itself to about 600, when it pushes and touches 700 and then it corrects itself to 650, you can't be surprised because of these pullbacks. They're bound to happen. So I think it's absolutely amazing. I only want Tesla to continue to go up. Of course, I'm invested in Tesla, and in my long-term portfolio, I'm even more heavily invested in Tesla. That's not the point. I am here to encourage you to have structure, have a plan. Don't just jump into the hype, but understand what is going on. Right now, we're super bullish, it's super relevant, and there's a lot of attention on Tesla. It's about to break $800. We might see a little push, but we can't be surprised if it pulls back. I would rather be prepared than to be surprised. To answer that simple question, do I think Tesla's the best deal or the best buy right now? No. Does it make sense on why you're buying? Well, yeah, it's still bullish, but you need to be able to tolerate and prepare for a pullback. So if you buy in with your entire account size and then you get mad because it pulls back, that's on you. And that's all I'm here to say. And it all comes down to your intention. If you're a long-term investor, then of course your intention shouldn't, be focused so much on the intraday moves, but so much more focused on the long-term picture. All I want to encourage you is to stay prepared, right? Keep effective position sizes, enough money where you feel like you're motivated to follow up with it, but not so much that if it pulls back, that you can't tolerate that loss. All I want is for you to be able to keep some of those profits in your pocket. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, if you guys think that Tesla is going to hit $800 a share, make sure you drop a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what other EV stock or current stock that is proactively trading right now that's doing really, really well. Comment that down below. I would love to learn more about what's in your watch list, and hopefully some of the people watching this video can see your comment and maybe be guided in the right direction. It's not that you have to convince others to see the same value you do, but it's just for us to be able to have an area where we can do our own due diligence and see if it meets our criteria. I think that's the beautiful thing about the stock market. It is you are the final decision maker on where you choose to put your money. You should never be told what to do and where to buy and where to sell. It should make sense to you. And if it doesn't, it just means that you need to take a little bit more time to get to that point. So I appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up. We do upload new videos every single day. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, I'd love to have you join me, right? You guys watched our live trading session yesterday. If you want to join us for tomorrow's live trading session, that's going to be that second link down below. You can learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit Group, see if it's a good fit for you. And if you're ready to join us, I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Until then, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.